Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the registered symbol on your WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe right below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the registered symbol on your WPS Office Write document. So it's actually easier thing. You just click on the insert option here. Then you just go to the symbol. You can see there is a symbol option here. So you can use the drop menu to use the recently used symbols and also custom symbols that you can use, and click on the more symbols to open the symbol box or click on directly to the icon. So now you can see there is a called a special characters. So you can also find the symbols here, but the special characters, which is we already normally mostly used characters are here. So you can find the registered symbol from this option. You can see there is a registered symbol. You just need to click on the insert, that's it. If you want a more number of insert, you just click on the insert. More number of registered symbol, you just click insert and close. So actually I need a registered symbol here, so I just click here, then go to the symbol option here, then go to the special character and go click on the registered and insert. Now you can see WPS Office Writer registered symbol has been inserted. So by this option you can easily insert the registered symbol. I think it's clear to you. If it is really useful to you this video, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the WPS Office Writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.